To integrate Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform, follow this step-by-step guide. First, register for an Afterpay merchant account and obtain your API credentials, including the client ID and client secret. These credentials are essential for authenticating your API requests. Next, choose the API integration method that suits your business needs. Either server-to-server or client-side integration. Server-to-server integration is more secure, while client-side integration provides a smoother customer experience. Then, set up your API endpoints, including the checkout endpoint, which initiates the Afterpay payment flow, and the callback endpoint, which receives updates on the payment status. Ensure that your endpoints are securely configured to handle sensitive customer data. Now, implement the payment flow by directing customers to the Afterpay checkout page, where they can enter their payment details and confirm the purchase. Afterpay will then redirect the customer back to your platform, where you can verify the payment status using the callback endpoint. It is crucial to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as failed payments or expired tokens. Implement robust error handling mechanisms to ensure a seamless customer experience. Additionally, ensure that your integration complies with Afterpay's security and privacy requirements, including PCI DSS and GDPR. Use secure protocols, such as HTTPS, to encrypt sensitive data and protect customer information. Finally, test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. Perform test transactions, verify payment status updates, and simulate error scenarios to guarantee a smooth and secure payment experience for your customers. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay API into your e-commerce platform, providing your customers with a convenient and secure payment option. Remember to refer to Afterpay's official documentation for detailed technical requirements and guidelines.